Ciao Tesla people, I wanted to install a new product that I found and it was pretty hard to find. And these guys, these are the front guards for the mud guards, and they go like this. Instead of in the back, which I have, they go here. Okay, so this basically is to supposedly, of course, to protect, but to increase efficiency, because these lips they will go bend a bit, and they basically will extend the pronunciation of this to decrease the air that goes on the tires. Okay, which means decrease the drag of the tires. That's the idea. Okay, there is one from the back and one from the front right here. So I have the mudguard in the back. They're doing good. Yeah. And this goes up here. It's a bit more involved because there's this lip here. This lip here goes inside here. I have to pull out back. I have to remove two clips for each side, and then I have to mount it like this. So I'm going to try and see, because they're a bit more complicated than the normal mud guards. I'm not sure why. So I'm going to get the clips. They come with the clips and the apply tool. I have a bunch of them, so I'm going to bring with me some of these guys, so they will help me. So there are four, two for each side, one in the front and one in the back. And let's see how it goes. I'm going to put you right here. Let's see if anything you can see. And hopefully it's going to be easy. Okay, so I need to remove this guy and this guy. Okay, so let's remove this guy here. Okay, one removed, one pin. The other one is a bit more difficult. Let me see. Let's see how it goes here. Okay, can't see much down there. Let me see if I can. There's a bit of dirt inside the pin, so it's difficult to grab the notch. Yeah, going to be a bit. Okay, I think almost got it. Okay, got it. Nice. Okay, the other guy. See, there is a notch here that you have to pull inside, and it's all dirty, so a bit difficult to reach. Let me grab something. Okay. Okay, I can put my knee down. Okay, now I need to pull this guy out a bit, and yeah, like that. Okay, that should work. Now let me see if I can put back these guys, or they're too short. It would be cool if I can just place back the original ones, so I don't have to. No, looks like the original ones are too short. Yeah, they are too short. So let's grab the ones that came with the product. And this, I'm going to leave the link in the description if you are interested. I'm just experimenting with this because I'm not sure that they will work. My guess is yes, but and it's not going to be super tangible. The these are with a screw. Okay. Yeah, I don't like this, guys. Okay, let me grab a screwdriver. Do I have a screwdriver here? Supposedly. I have this guy. I can try with this. That's strange. Sorry about the noise, but they're doing construction. Can't do anything about that. So let's see if no. So I'm missing a screwdriver. I'm not sure why I don't have a screwdriver. Oh, okay, I can push it. Okay, good. I can just pressure push it, which is good. Okay, let me grab another one. And let's put the one in all the way back. Right there. Okay, it went in. So this is the profile, you see? And this will push back when driving. And supposedly this guy should decrease the drag, supposedly. We'll see if it's true and if it holds, because this one feels like a bit dodgy because it's holding to this guy, but I'm assuming that when you go fast, this one will bend a bit. So, okay. Let's call it done for this one. Let's now do the back one and see how it goes. And let's see if it's easier or more complicated. I'll put you here. So I have to remove these two pins. And we'll see how it goes, okay? Hopefully it goes well. So let's remove the pins. Okay. One. And two. It was pretty easy. Okay. This two has a specific way to go with this. Grabs on the side here. Let me show you. It has these two lips here. The grab here on the side, and then the profile goes. It follows the profile down here. Okay. So give it clean. Okay. The holes are right there, and let me grab. I mean, to install it, it's super easy. But in the front, you have to turn the wheel, otherwise you won't be able to. There's not enough space, so you turn the wheel. Like I said, I show you outside. So let me install this guy. Where is the hole? Oh, it's the way down there. Okay. There is one. And I push this guy. Very cool. And another one. Place the first pin. These are a bit different. You see, these are pushed, so there's a two parts clip. But this guy is separated. So I'm going to put this one first. Okay, done. And then I push back this guy. Okay. And down. Very cool. You see? Very nice. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to experiment with this. So these are two sides. I'm going to do the other sides, but they're going to be very similar. So if you see the lip, I don't know if you can see, the lip comes down like 3 centimeters, 3/4 centimeters, and that's the back, and this is the front. So the idea is that this lip will deviate the air that goes to the tire. That's the idea, and should decrease the drag of the tire, which is very large, because it basically a spoiler that deflects the air from the tire. So I'm going to do the other two, which are not, are the same basically. So it's not a big deal. If you want to buy, I'm going to leave the link in the description. I'm going to do a few tests in the coming days and see if they participate to my efficiency journey to increase the efficiency of the Model Y. With the Holodesk version 2, I increased by between 5 and 10%. So with this other ones, product, I don't know what percentage or if they work at all, but I'm testing it, so we'll see how it goes. Check out the link in the description, and also if you want to buy a Tesla, check out my Tesla referral in the description too, and I'll see you next video. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Bye bye.